Alright. So, we're back. Starfield is out, but I'm gonna give it a little bit. I'm enjoying my time here. I don't want to swap to Starfield just yet. I will eventually. We'll see how badly this game goes or how well. By the way, they removed crossplay. That seems pretty horrible for me. I loved beating up console players, but you know. Also, someone has a damn potato PC. Come on. I'm the survivor. I'm Sunny. Oh, here we go. Thank God. Caught the man in the act of subduing 36-year-old Kelsey Keogh. The man, whose name is being withheld, claimed he and Kelsey were participating in an agreed-upon way, and that he had no connections to the murders that have plagued the eastern part. Here we go. I don't like where I am. Okay, everyone's making noise. I am also going to make noise. What the hell? Oh God, they are all here, aren't they?
Oh no. They're back. Oh, look at this.
Oh God, I'm gonna die immediately. I can see nothing, brother.
Stay sharp. They could be anywhere. Okay. This'll be simple.
Bro, we're all getting massacred.
I got this.
Yeah, I really don't got this. I need an exit. I'm not finding one. Is this an exit? Nope. That's not an exit. I was there recently.
I can use this. Why the hell did we end up here?
I don't know, buddy, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna die here. So. Okay. Hello, other survivor. Please don't F me up.
Do it.
Wow, what good timing. One of them is grappling over there.
Come on.
Okay, for that I need an unlock tool and a fuse. I have neither, so that's very good. Good start. Valve handle, useful. Okay, back down we go, I
Just
guess.
keep your head clear. Eyes open. You can do this.
Okay. Try and get to the valve. Get your ass out of here.
That looks useful.
An unlock tool first. I don't know where it'll open up, but I would rather have an unlock tool.
This'll help.
Okay, crank it open. I just need a little bit of time to open this bad boy up. I'm the last one left, huh?
I think this'll help.
Okay, the pressure door will be upstairs. Get me out of here. Okay.
I hope this is a way out.
Ah, this is not a good place to be.
I gotta watch out.
Go, you fool, go!
That might help.
Oh, he sees me.
Oh, they're everywhere.
I gotta lose this guy. Oh, I'm done. Oh, that's not the right way to do that, but it's fine, whatever.
I hope the others are okay.
I guess I can't save you after all.
Gotta find help. I need to find something. Isn't working.
There's no chance, brother. Yep, okay, I'm done. Bro, I tried. I should not have opened that door. I thought it may be laid out somewhere. Probably did, but like my dudes who were with me, actual garbage. Literal garbage. I don't know why they're making all that noise. Letting them come down into the basement, like right at the start. Like, what do you expect? They just let you go. They just won't come down. Yeah, come on, man. Leland can press this button to instantly knock down a family member. Yeah, that would be useful, but you know, I was, and that place is horrible, by the way. The slaughterhouse. Like, where do you go? Nowhere to go is the problem. And one guy I could juke, maybe get out, but like, you can't be running for a long time against family members. I don't want to be freaking these assholes. I don't know what they're doing, bro. That's the problem. Why do I have level 2 Leland? I mean, it doesn't matter. So I got new Sunny. Oh, I have Zigzag. Let's be Zigzag then. And Cobra is 20 times. Alright. Sure. Bro, there's no killers. There's zero killers. Why the hell did you make me? Oh, this is because they don't want to play. My dude is level 69. Holy shit. Yeah, no, I would also be not wanting to play this game if I saw a level 69 Ana just about to decimate the entire game. Yeah, you know what? I'll play killer. I'll play killer. Make me the family. Apparently, there's like no family members willing to play the game, so I mean, I'll do it. I guess I'll be the good guy and I'll do it. Family should work together. Yeah, unfortunately, that doesn't happen. I want to be hitchhiker. You are level 0. Thank you, sir. What map is this? The gas station. All right, all right. Stamina drain while sprinting reduced. Kill tree. I got no points, but I can grab a bunch of stuff around here. Now I'm good to go. I'm ready. Yeah. Give me people like below level 20. Level 20 and below. That's all I want. So we got ourselves a leather face. I mean, he's a level 5 leather face, so. Yeah, no. What more do you want? And I have maximized blood. You guys, you can see I'm a blood harvesting Andy. Ah, we got a full squad. Plus, after being hit by a sneak attack, after recovering from being stunned, I'm good. They're working as a blood banker. Already up there. People really do be taking a million years to just ready up, huh? Like you come into a game, you check your loader for like 2 seconds, and you're like done, and then you just ready up. That's just how we do things around here. But apparently, that's just not the case. Just ready up, brother. You're level 21. You know how this works. Ready up. Leveled all these high level assholes. Don't level up. I don't ready up. Sorry, did I say level up? Oh, Leland is unready and then ready again. CC's ready. Very good. Miyazumi, come on, Miyazumi, ready up. Oh my god. I could have been playing Starfield right now. Instead, I'm sitting in a damn lobby. Waiting for some assholes to ready up. Like, all I have to do is just press E. Just press E. You're all PC players. Oh, that's why I'm getting screwed, isn't it? Because there's only PC players right now. Crossplay is turned off in the latest update. For whatever reason. Okay, Julie has leveled up finally. Anna and now Leland has unleveled. Oh, there you go, he leveled up, readied up. Sorry, I keep saying leveled up. Only Anna is left. Anna has become level 8, so okay, so working on the skill tree, okay. Could have always just gone to customization and... Are you respecing an entire character? What the hell are you doing? Level 9? The gas station. So we have the gas station exit. That place is vital. It must be defended because otherwise they're gonna just get out. There's also another like, different ass side with another generator exit. I remember the fuse box. I mean, there's no second floor here, so that's good. The fuse box is on the first on the ground level, so it should be easy enough to deal with that. They mostly come out of the house. There's a couple of ladders, if I remember correctly, here as well. I mean, there's always ladders, but yeah. Not be that bad, if I do say so myself. Good job, Anna. Made everyone wait. At least tell me everyone's PC is good. Okay. Thank God, everyone's got an SSD. Pure the property. Free the grandfather blood. Hunt and collect blood. And get some executions going. I always love an execution. No one picked Sunny. Oh, dude, I can hear them moving around. Leatherface. Oh, someone just disconnected. Well, that makes our life a little easier.
Did they get loose on us? Oh, dang it. Should have strung them up better.
What are you doing, lady? Turn this thing on. The generator, and then I'm going to the other side. Gotta put some traps over there because that door is insanely powerful if they can get to it. Put a little trap right here.
They'll never see this. It always
Bro. I'm gonna keep collecting some blood. Okay. You're in there, you have fun. Okay, here's the fuse box exit. Very important to put a little trap right here.
This'll catch him.
I don't know if it'll catch him, but I mean, it might. Now, is there not a ladder here? There is. Now, I could do the ladder play, but that's kind of dumb. Don't do that, actually. Where the hell is the tank? Tank would be somewhere over there, I'm guessing. Okay, so over here, we have a lot of blood as well. I should be able to feed Grandpa enough. Get into level 1 at least. But even more importantly, we have a trap right here.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Because you know they'll be coming right here. Oh, I saw you. Don't worry.
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta find him.
Oh, you poor little thing. Oh.
This blade cuts good.
Good, good, good. So we push one of them back down the well. Ooh!
Here you go, Grandpa.
Okay, let's feed Grandpa. Where did the snare go off? Ah, right there. I'm lost. I'm lost. Yeah, I'm not lost anymore.
Too bad Grandpa ain't able. He was the best there ever was.
Oh, don't worry. I saw your ass. Okay, conserve stam. Ooh, some nice cuts there. I can do that too, you know. This is the hitchhiker. I'm a damn fool. I lost her. What is this? I gotta reset my traps, bro. The traps must be reset.
Whoa. Why I gotta do
Does feel like that, doesn't it? But who knows? We'll head back out. But before I do, there's free blood right here. Also free blood right here. Not footsteps, okay.
I know Grandpa thinks I'm the best.
I mean, I'm the one feeding Grandpa all his blood, so he better think I'm the best. Open the damn door! Get out of the way, you fool! Incapacitated! Fuck it, I'm out of stam. Oh, I executed, I got her! Grandpa? Get up, please. How long you incapacitated for, brother? Forever? Oh! Set me? I'm gonna go check out my other trap too. Hey, here's someone?
Even Grandma was better than my two dang brothers.
I don't know. Maybe I did. It's still red. Is my trap still okay? Okay, trap is good. That means this place should be fine for now. Obviously, I'll have to come back and recheck. But for right now, it's okay. Or I didn't lock this? My bad. No, I'll lock it now. Oh, I wanted to feed him blood. Okay, we'll check our door right there. Sure everything is okay at the door. Okay, it's all good. And I'm still full on blood. I gotta feed Grandpa now. Not yet, not yet, Grandpa. Let me feed you. Fuck off, bro.
All you need
Get
is a
fed.
little blood. Perk you right up.
When you see the children, X's on their head.
Okay, we'll check this area now, because I know they got in here. Grandpa is hungry? Bro, Grandpa can wait for food, okay? What do you think you are doing, huh? Trying to escape? After all that effort I put into fortifying this place, now you want to escape? That's not happening, my friend. That is just simply not happening. I'll be back, don't you worry. Alright. That might slow them down, but probably not. It's the wrong place. Okay, this is here. That's me, I'm sorry. I pushed the button, it was a mistake.
You're looking downright spry. Back and killing for him.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check on these assholes right here again. Me. Close it up, put a lock on it. Grandpa is hungry again? Bro, Grandpa is always hungry. No, might kill you, asshole. That's fine, one remains. Now this last one, couple of places only they could have gone. Should go feed grandfather. Let me. Oh, they're in here. They are for sure in here. I have a sinking suspicion he's around here. But my trap was fine. That tells me feed grandpa and then we'll find him.
I'll get your fill.
There you go. Where are you? Ho ho ho! Goodbye. Finally, I got a damn kill. Ooh, good game. Good gaming. That is how you do it. How much? How much? Yeah, I mean, I deserve it. I definitely do deserve it. Okay, I deserve a lot more XP, but whatever. I got 5 blood points. That's good. 2000, bro. Freaking! I got 2 kills. Oh yeah, because one of them fell down and died. I mean, the other kid was also mine. I'm just gonna say I'm playing pretty damn well. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. My trap, while I mean they got snaggered on it once. They're good like alarm clocks. Like someone is here, you know. Because you only check one door usually. You don't check both doors. But the skilled tree. Honestly, farm me some points. Some more stamina would go insane. I decline. I'm afraid. Do not have enough skill points. That is fine. Look at my crazy stamina. Bro, I mean you're level 6, bro. You can do it. Don't gotta worry. 7,000 out of 12. Bro, level 2. Breaking out of traps is 28% more difficult, or I could crank 33% more damage. I mean, I kind of feel like that's actually useful. I don't know if these stack. And then obviously we want all family see noise. You know, because that is obviously that is great if all of them see what's going on. Wow, as soon as this person left, another person came in. Insane. We just need a leather face. And a man with a face of leather. This guy is literally named Don't Kill Me. Yeah, the problem is only high level Andys are left now. Level 19, level 38, level 19, level 36, level 12, and a level 17, level 10, and a level 10 Leatherface. Well, okay. I mean, obviously, he's put a lot of Leatherface, so I can hope that he's good at it. I don't even know what those skills do. There's blood drops, there's victim running. I mean, I just have. Oh, that's what I have got. No, but that's a different one. I have stamina drain while sprinting reduced. What do you have? You have this thing. Whenever Grandpa's Sonar ability activated, all family members instantly regains. Oh, that's actually pretty damn good. And you have blood drops. Slightly increased melee damage for all family members. Okay. Some good stuff. Some good stuff there. And I obviously have more blood carrying capacity because I'm a blood hunter. Other two skills are okay. Now, if I do get stunned, I recover a lot faster. That's nice. And I recover stamina after I got stunned. And if someone stabbed me, they get highlighted for like a bunch of seconds. So if anyone is around or if I want to chase them, it helps. You know, it do be helping. This is the slaughterhouse, so it's one of the maps I don't really like that much, but we'll deal with it. We'll take some rounds. Make sure none of the exits are being opened up, as you know, as we are somewhere else. You know how victims be? They like to open exits and stuff. I don't know why they would. Just stay and die, man. Yo, killers, can you ready up? What are you actually just changing your shit? Because like that actually is okay, but okay, CC's readied up. Leatherface, everyone's waiting on you. Like all 6 people are waiting on your ass. So you better have some legit reasons, because you already have a level 3 skills and a level 2 chainsaw. So I don't know what else you're gonna get. I'm gonna say like nothing. Honestly, is what you're gonna get. You're just wasting time, hoping someone will want Leatherface, but no one wants Leatherface. So yeah, Leland is like, come on, ready up. And I agree with Leland, honestly, even though I hate Leland. Real asshole, but you know, when he's right, he's right. I do love having insane stamina though. Just keep chasing, stab, 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 like 6, 7 times. Yeah, I mean, if they can never run away, like what are they gonna do? Plus, I have traps. If I can chase them towards my traps, I mean, then they're just stuck there. Traps deal damage. I stabbing them in the back does a lot of damage, and then they lay down, and I cut their shins and stab their back and shit. It's horrible. Little dinky little knife. Are you proud of yourself, Leatherface? Wow, CC just left. Okay, ban. Put a 24-hour ban permanent on that lady. No, no, just wait. Just wait, Julie. Don't go. Okay, just relax. Someone else will fill it. Or you can play with 2 killers and have like an insane advantage. I cannot believe such people exist, bro. Thank God. Someone else is in. Leatherface is still not readied up. It is crazy, brother. The lobby shit is so bad. Like, just ready up. How hard is it to just press E? Thank you, CC. Leatherface. You've been slowing the whole ass game down for like 5 minutes. Like, what do you do for a living? Like, nothing? Like, do you do literally, you have no job? You're just a drain on society? Is that what you are? Because that's what I think. Freaking can't press E to ready up. Finally, it might start, I hope. 7, 6, 5. Now no one can leave. Holy shit. This game, man, this game. They're gonna start putting bans on people. Like, it's crazy.
The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful
Alright.
the expanded search.
Yeah, but she's not gonna spawn there, I probably will. But whatever.
Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward.
Hey, we got a skinned Leatherface. Nice. And let me guess, still no hitchhiker skins in the game? Come on, man. You gotta get some hitchhiker skins. He's a cool character, man. He's got traps. Look at him stabbing. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, right up to it. Yeah, I'll go check on Grandpa, don't you worry. Gotta be ready first, because however unlikely, there is a chance they might come here. The trap is kinda obvious, but you know, it might slow someone down for a bit. Enough time for me to come over and, I don't know, murder them. Bunch of blood on the way, that's nice. Didn't close that door. No. Did I remember that? Maybe. Victim noise already? Bro, they're fast. I don't like that. They're also apparently just not very smart. Something tells me someone's gonna be coming up through this place soon. So if you don't mind,
They'll never see this. It always works. That sounded like it hurt. Yeah.
okay, reset this bad boy. You know, no coming out of this place. Alright. Okay.
Whoa. Why I gotta do everything in this family? Well, look who's here. Wanna play a hiding game, huh? All right.
Alright, alright. I don't know what the rest of the family is doing, but I'm doing good work here.
Now, Grandpa, get your fill. These varmints sure can hide.
You know what? No. Where's the pressure thing? Here it is. But that's the exit. Where's the tank? Oh, the tank is downstairs. Right.
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta find them.
Bro. Oh, spam! I'm gonna spam it so hard. You're done. You're done, lady. I'm sorry to say this. Oh, buzz off. Bro, what are my family people doing, bro? Oh my god, they all came in with bone scrap. Where are my family members? What the hell? They're all disconnected.
You better get out or you'll get it worse. I got you.
Oh my god, brother. Look at this shit, they're just playing. How? They can just always keep doing this forever?
Grandpa taught me this little trick. Hey, come on. I was just playing. Where'd you go?
Open it! I'm spamming it, bro. I'm one killer against so many of them. They're all gonna escape. Look at this shit. They're all here.
I know Grandpa thinks I'm the best. The best. I might be saving you for Grandpa. Well, ain't you shifty? Like me.
Oh, great. Well, there they all go.
I can make it. I have to. I'm tired of messing with you. You get out of here.
What the hell? Okay, I'm just gonna quit the game.
You're gonna peter out soon. It always happens.
Oh, I got a freaking kill. Well, I got one of you assholes. That's all really all that matters right now. Fucking why? All the killers just escaped out of the game. After all, what stupid freaking I don't know what the hell. Why do people play the game like this? Look at this shit. Code disconnected. Like, no, I'm done. I'll see you in the next one. Holy shit.